What's up, guys? This is a pistol. This is a razor light. This is a pistol. This is a CPU. This is a rifle. Extended. A mobile. Okay, guys. This is a pistol. This is toy pistol. Okay, guys. And how it work? Turn and shoot. Wow, what a nice quality sound. Another time. Turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. This is black and red color. Tan tan tan. Black and red combination pistol. Okay, guys. Then, guys, I show you this pistol. This is a small pistol. Okay, and this is black color, red color, and yellow color. Yes! Black, red, yellow. And how it works? Turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. Okay, guys. But the last time. Turn and shoot. Here, guys. Nice sound. Okay, guys. This is a razor light. Okay. Razor light. I assemble it by this pistol. This is the proper toy pistol. Okay, guys. Looks very nice. Oh wow, nice toy pistol and very update toy pistol gun. Okay. This is a CPU, guys. This is a CPU. Okay, guys, this is golden color and this is silver color. Golden and silver color combination. Then, guys, I show you this rifle. This is a rifle. Okay, guys. See this bezel? Bezel is nice. Muzzle, trigger. Okay, guys. This is extended. Okay. So, this is the proper toy rifle. Yes! And how it works? Turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. Okay, guys? Guys, this is a mobile. This is a button mobile. Okay? See this mobile? This is real mobile. This is not toy. Toy mobile, okay? This is a real mobile. Wow. See? So, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye all guys.